In this video, we are going to learn heights and distances. But before that, we will understand what is this angle of elevation and angle of depression. Now, suppose you are having a pole here and you are just standing away from this pole at this point. And if you are looking at the top of the pole from the level ground, this angle is called angle of elevation. When you look up at something from the level ground, the angle formed here is called the angle of elevation, right? Now, what is angle of depression? Now, suppose this is a tower and you are standing here at the top of the tower and you are looking at some object here. So, the angle that is made here is called the angle of depression. Now, you must be thinking that this is the angle of depression. No. There is a line, you consider a line, reference line, which you have to consider parallel to this ground line. Now, the angle which is made from this point to this point, when you look at this point from the top of something, the angle of depression is this, right? So, this is angle theta here. Whatever angle is made here is called the angle of depression, right? So, then what happens? This angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because this line is parallel to this line and then this angle is theta. This will also be theta. Remember, this is the angle of depression, not this, right? Now, we will use this concept in the questions. Let's solve some questions based upon heights and distances. He is saying that the angle of elevation of the top of the pole from a point on the level ground. So, we have a pole here. The angle of elevation, he is talking about the angle of elevation. So, here we have a point. Sorry, let's consider the point here. Here we have a point and the angle of elevation from this point to the top of the pole from a point on the level ground is 30 degrees. So, what is this angle? 30 degree. And at the same time, he is saying that this pole is, this point is 15 meters away from the pole. That means this point is 15 meters away from the pole. This distance is 15 meters. Find the height of the pole. He wants us to calculate the height of this pole, right? Now, we will solve this using the T ratios, fine? So, let's see how should we think which T ratio to use. Now, we know that sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle. So, cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse and tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, right? Now, we don't have to do anything with the hypotenuse here. So, we will not take sine theta. We will also not take cos theta. Now, what are the two connecting things here? Opposite and adjacent. So, we will choose this T ratio. So, this is tan theta. So, here we will write tan. In place of theta, we have 30 degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent. What is my opposite? H, and adjacent is 15. Now, tan theta is the standard angle. We know this 30 degree is the standard angle. We know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. You should remember this value, equal to H by 15, right? So, let's cross multiply. We'll get 15 upon root 3 is equal to H. Now, we have irrational number in the denominator. So, what will we do? We will rationalize this. So, we will get 15 root 3 into 15 root 3 upon root 3 equal to H. So, 15 root 3 upon 3, root 3 into root 3 is 3 is equal to H. So, 3 5s are, right? Now, my answer is H is equal to 5 root 3, fine. Now, you must be given this value in the question. Root 3 value is 1.732, or you should remember it, and root 2's value is 1.414. These two values you should remember. Now my h will be 5 into 1.732. So what is my h now? 8.6 meters. Right? So what is the value of h? 8.6 meters. 5 into 1.732 is 8.6 meters. Right? Okay. Now another one. Here he is talking about a cliff. From the top of a cliff, 50 meter high. So this is a cliff whose height he has given 50 meters. The angle of depression. So you're looking from the top of this cliff at some object. Okay, what is the object? Boat. So quickly it should come to our mind that there has to be a reference line which is parallel to the ground line here, right? So there is a boat. He's saying that there is a boat, and from top of the cliff he's looking at the boat, and the angle of depression, that means this angle, not this angle, is how much? 30 degree. So now your this angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles, right? Calculate to the nearest meter the distance of the boat from the foot of the cliff. This is the foot of the cliff and this is the boat. This distance you have to calculate. So again, you will find which t ratio you can use here. Obviously, opposite and adjacent, you will use tan here. So we will write tan 30 degree is equal to opposite, which is 50 upon x. Now tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 upon x. So if we cross multiply, we will get x is equal to 50 root 3, right? So x equal to 50 root 3, we know 1.732, and x is equal to 86.5.